Hello dear students, welcome to Solid State Physics lecture number 9. I'm Dr. Pervaiz Ahmad. In these lectures, we are going to have a discussions on typical crystal structures. That is in 3D. In 3D we have 14 Bravais lattice and 7 crystal systems. So our discussion will be based on the 14 Bravais lattice and the 7 crystal system in 3 dimensions. So what are the typical crystal system we have? So we remember in 3 dimension we have protein, Bravais lattice and 7 crystal systems. So there are only 7 different shapes of the unit cell which can be stacked together to completely fill all the space in 3 dimensions without overlapping. This gives the 7 crystal system in which all the crystal structures can be classified. So the first and the most popular crystal structure that we have is called cubic crystal system. Inside the cubic crystal system, we have sample cubic, body center cubic, and face center cubic. The other popular crystal structure we have is called hexagonal crystal system, and in this system we have only one Bravais lattice that is called sample. Triclinic system is it also have only one Bravais lattice that we call sample. Then we have monoclinic crystal system. It contains sample and base center. Arthrohombic crystal system. It consists of sample, base center, body center, and face center. Tetragonal crystal system. Again, it has sample and body center Bravais lattice. uh, Trigonals, that we also call rhomboidal. It contains a sample crystal system. So now you can see all these crystal structures and the Bravais lattice. So here you can see at first we have the cubic and cubic, the lattice constant A, B and C all are equal, and also the angle between the two Bravais lattice and the angle between the two lattice cards is also the same. All are equal and they're equal to 90 degree. So we have two inside the cubic system, that is body center and face center. Then we have tetragonals. So like you can see tetragonals, the side A and B are equals, but not equal to C. The third side is different. The two sides are equal, but the third side is different. So all the angles are equals to each other, and all of them that are equal to 90 degrees. And it has only one. The Bravais lattice sample and body center cubic. Just like we mentioned on the previous slide. Then we have arthrorhombic. And arthrorhombic, all the lattice constant, they are different from one another, but all the angles between the lattice constant, they are equals and equal to 90 degree. And these are the Bravais, the possible Bravais lattice. Then we have hexagonals, and the hexagonal structures, just like you can see it here. The lattice side A and B are equal, but not equal to C. The third lattice constant is difference. That you can also see it here. Similarly, the angle alpha and beta, they are equal to 90 degree, but gamma is equal to 120 degree. Then we have trigonals. Trigonals, all the sides, all the lattice constant, they are the same. They are equal to each other. Similarly, the angles are equals. The alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, but none of them are equal to 90 degree. Here you can see the structure. Then we have monoclinic and monoclinic structures. All the side, all the lattice constants, they are not equal to each other. The angle alpha and gamma, they are equal to 90 degree, and beta is not equal to 120 degree. So these are the Bravais lattice of monoclinic. And at last we have triclinic. And triclinic, all the sides are different. All the lattice constants are different from one another. That is, A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C, and also all the angles, they are different from one another, and also not equal to 90 degree. So these are all 7 crystal system and 14 Bravais lattice. Then we have another feature in the crystal system that we call coordination number. What is mean by coordination number? Coordination number that we denote by CNs, and it is the Bravais lattice points closest to a given points, or called or the nearest number. And because the Bravais lattice is periodic, all the points have the same number of nearest neighbor or coordination number. So it is the property of the lattice. We remember coordination number we also call the nearest neighbor. So a sample cubic has a coordination number 6. A body center cubic lattice has coordination number 8, and a face center cubic lattice has a coordination number 12. So a sample one, just like I mentioned, by coordination number we mean nearest neighbor a particular point. I mean that is has by a particular point inside the crystal lattice. And so this is a sample example of the cubic system. So in a sample cubic, the coordination number is 6, and if we have a body center cubic lattice, so it has coordination number 8, and face center cubic, it has coordination number 12. Then we have another factor that is called atomic packing factors. So what is mean by atomic packing factor? So it is defined as the volume of the atoms within the unit cell divided by the volume of the unit cell. So mathematically we can write it like it. Uh, APF is equal to volume of the atoms and the unit cell divided by uh, volume of a unit cell. That's all we have for this lecture. Thanks for watching. See you in next lecture. Uh, that will be on cubic crystal system. So stay tuned for the next lecture. Till then, bye bye.